Hello guys, my name is Behel and today I am back again with another video for deca-head microscope. So let's get started. The model I'll show you today is QUASMO make model PH-999, which is for deca-head. As you can see, there are 10 heads, 5 in the front and 5 at the back. In this model, we offer 1 trinocular head and 9 binocular heads. IPD for this head is 48 mm to 80 mm with eyepieces field of view is 10x/22 mm. This is the same for all the 10 heads. Next we have dual color LED pointer with light intensity regulator. We offer quintuple nose piece with different magnifications such as 4x, 10x, 20x, 40x and 100x. Next we have rackless mechanical stage with X and Y movement. The condenser we offer is with rack and pinion movement. In this, we offer high power LED light which is of 15 watts with light intensity regulator. The other 9 binocular heads is also the same specs. Sidentopf head with the IPD 48 to 80 mm and the eyepieces 10x/22 mm with the dual diopters.
Now I have attached an 11 inches retina display with 5 megapixel HDMI camera. I'll also make a detailed video for this screen in the upcoming videos. Now to get the view in the screen, take this lever out and just find focus. Now I will show you the results under different magnification. At present you can see it is focused under 10x. Moving on to 20x. You can clearly see the live blood cells. 40x. So guys, that's all for the model PH-999 deca-head. Guys, thanks for watching the video. You can visit our website mentioned below. You can select the model from our website and write in the comment section on which model you want to see the next video. Thank you.